Turtle Team started back in January of 21. It was supposed to be a 3-month project. It'll be 3 years in January.
Our main priority is to work with First Nation people, providing culturally appropriate support and care for them.
We're treating people as our aunt, as our grandmother, as our uncle, and trying to help them through their challenges.
For us, healing is always about remembering who you are, and so we provide sweat lodges, naming ceremonies.
The sweat lodge came about when I've reached out to the Turtle Team for assistance. They seem to just respond.
It's really based on what the needs are. The individuals that come in, it's always different.
It started off as a small program to provide a more supportive environment for First Nations who were coming to the city to isolate, and then kind of grew from there.
We provide childcare services for families when they need to give them a break.
Sometimes we'll deliver self-care packages to people.
We are there to make sure that you have whatever you need on hard times.
We know our people, we know our relatives, we know the background.
We're on the ground, so if we get into an issue, we're there to better de-escalate the situation. It just takes that one moment, and things can go bad very quickly. But if there's someone there to stop and listen, it doesn't hurt.
They were very instrumental in terms of our people that were seeking services back when COVID hit here in Manitoba.
So I had to evacuate 7,000 people in 3 hours. Trying to find rooms and hotels and accommodations for 7,000 people in such a short period of time was very challenging. That's where Turtle Team came in.
Whatever the issue is, if it's COVID or if it's fire, the Turtle Team is there to help them.
They're happy that we're here for them. They're happy that we're advocating for them.
They're a little bit more open to talk to the team rather than Red Cross or Shared Health. The majority of us are from those communities, so we know how to connect to them.
The flood started in April. At least 75 to 100 houses were condemned. It took us about a week to get everybody organized into hotels. Turtle Team stepped in, and when the people needed help, they would be there for them. And I'm so grateful for them.
We've reached out into the homeless population, setting up a sweat lodge 1 week and a sacred fire the next.
That opportunity for our people that are homeless in Winnipeg to reconnect to our culture, that's what we need.
Providing a space for individuals to come to share their story, ask for help. These were our children. They need our support. They need our help.
There's so many barriers for our people when they leave the community.
Not having your home in your community, it makes you feel disconnected.
They come into the city and it's a big, giant culture shock. Our team being in the city and a lot of us growing up on the reserve, we kind of bridge that gap.
When you have Turtle Team acting as family members or acting as part of your culture, it provides a sense of comfort for a lot of people.
There's a lot of very positive feedback that we were given within the 2 years that we've been as a Turtle Team.
I really think that there is transformative potential to get to a better future together with an organization like the Turtle Team sitting alongside the health system as a powerful entity.
Our plan is now to move forward, looking for permanent funding to be able to provide those same supports for our families.
We think big. We want to be Canada-wide. We want to be able to help all of our First Nations communities.
Right now, they're not funded, then you need to fund them, Manitoba.
The Turtles work from their heart. I think that's what makes it unique.
It's a beautiful thing to be part of.
Thank you very much, Turtles. I miss you guys. Take care.
That is all packed up?
Yes.
I'm going home.
Going back home.